let's move on to the orange colored blocks. The orange colored blocks is called the control blocks simply because you can apply different types of changes to your animation block. So far you have learned the blue motion block, the yellow trigger block, the purple looks blocks, and the green sound blocks. Now I want to give you a challenge. I need you to remove all of your coding animation blocks in your script area like this. We shall now start with the following blocks of codes. Let's do this together. First, tap on the yellow trigger blocks. Add a start on green flag into your script area like this. Now tap on the blue motion blocks. Add a move right motion block into your script area. Add a turn left motion block. Add a move up motion block. Add a hop motion block. And add a go home motion block. Now tap on the purple looks blocks. Tap on the say looks blocks and drag it into your script area like this. Change the text box in the say looks blocks to I can jump high like this. Finally, drag the say looks blocks right after the start on green flag like this. Now tap on your start on green flag to test your animation. Now tap on the orange control blocks. First up is the wait block. We use the wait control blocks to allow some delay in our animation code. The delay or wait is in tenth of a second. The number 10 in the wait control block means that the previous code will stay in animation for 1 second before continuing to the next blocks of code. In our next exercise, we want to add a 1 second wait before kitten do the hop block. Where do you think we should put the wait block? Let's do this together. Now tap on the wait control block, drag it into your script area and insert in between the move up motion block and the hop motion block like this. Now tap on your start on green flag to start your animation. Did the kitten move up and stay for 1 second before doing the hop back to the starting point? Excellent. Now at any point of time, if you are unable to follow the steps, it's okay. Just rewind the tutorial and start again. It's perfectly normal. This is the beauty of web tutorial. Next, we shall explore one of the most important coding blocks in ScratchJr and one of kids' domain fundamental concept of coding, the repeat block. You will use the repeat blocks many times in your animation code. Repeat block will allow you to perform repetitive animation codes instead of you to create the same set of animations every time you want to run that same particular blocks of code. Repeat is a process of performing a loop for a number of times. In the next task, we will perform a repeat on move up, wait, and hop motion blocks 4 times, and watch how kitten jump higher and longer. Let's do this challenge together. On the control blocks category, tap on the repeat control block, drag it into your script area, and insert the repeat block before the move up motion block and after the hop motion block, like this. Now, on your own, tap on the text box of the Say Looks block in your script area and add this text: I can jump so high. Now, tap on your Start on green flag to run your animation. Now, our kitten can jump higher than before. The stop control block will actually stop all of the character's animation script. Now tap on the stop control block, drag it into your script area, and insert the stop control block right after the go home motion block. Now run your animation. You will see that animation will stop right after the go home motion blocks. Finally, the set speed control block changes the rate at which certain blocks are run. For example, if you want your kitten to jump up higher, tap on the set speed control block, drag it into your script area, and join with the hop motion block like this. Next, tap on the drop down button of the set speed control block in your script area and select fastest like this. Are we ready? Now tap on the Start on green flag to start your animation. What do you see? The repeat control block run the animation inside the loop faster this time. Very good work. You have done very well. We shall now explore the last rate block category. This category is called the end block. We use the end block to indicate the end of our coding script. Just to take note that this end block does not affect your code in any way. Let us begin with the first block in the end block category. Tap on the end block and drag it into your script area like this. Now, since we still have our coding block from the previous control block, we will now join the end block with the stop control block like this. Tap on your Start on green flag to run your animation. The end block will signal the end of your animation script and the end of the entire code. We shall now apply the next end block, the repeat forever block. You use this repeat forever block to run your animation script over and over again in a continuous loop. This repeat forever block is very useful when you want to run your animation continuously in an endless loop until a condition is met. For example, Kitten will not perform any animation unless another character bumps into Kitten. Something like this. Finally, you will need to know there is another end block called the go-to page block. At this moment, you do not see this particular block in the end block category. The reason is this block will only appear when you have 2 or more pages in your project. Let us now add a new page in our project. Tap on the plus white box like this. Automatically, you will see another block appear in the end block category. This is the go-to page block, and you use this block when you want to go to a specific page in your project. We shall explore more on page in our background tutorial. It looks like there are a lot of blocks to learn, but don't worry. We'll begin by using simple blocks and slowly learn more blocks as we go along. In our next tutorial 7, you shall learn more about the do blocks, the decide blocks, and the repeat blocks. Bye bye.